how to fix gold note not showing on Instagram. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure that your Instagram is up to date. If not, then go to the App Store and search for the Instagram in the search address bar and tap on the update option available there, and it will be up to date version of the Instagram app. Then all you have to do is enter a Olympic related words on your note. For example, you could type gold, Olympics, Olympians, victory, etc. And once you have done this, after posting, your note will appear in the note section at the top of your DMs, which are now highlighted in bright gold. And still, if your Instagram gold notes are not working, then I had the same problem with you. If you have used the Instagram gold notes, keywords and emoji, but your note has not gone gold yet, then don't worry. That's what happened with me as well. Even though I used the right keywords, my notes did not look gold on my phone. However, when I checked my account from other devices, the gold note was there. This can happen to you too. So try looking at your note from another devices and see if it is working. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.